Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, gagawin natin itong halter top with X design at the bottom. Disclaimer naman po, ito po ay from Chanda DIY. By the way, this is a two-way top. It can be halter, it can be tube as well. Well, of course, ang una natin gagawin is ihanda ang ating mga materials such as soft Indofill 4-ply yarn, 3mm hook, stitch marker, needle, and scissors. Please take note of the following abbreviations as well: CH, SC, DC, and SS. Alright, simulan na natin. So, ang unang gagawin natin is itong top part. Ayan. So, itong top part na to, wherein tingin mo na yung una natin gagawin. Ayan. Ilabas lahat ng materials. Okay. So, of course, make a split knot. There you go. Alright. And then, chain 7. So, continue on doing chain 1 up to 70. Chain 70. This will serve as our baseline ng ating top. Okay. So, tapusin nyo muna yung chain 70 nyo. So, by the way, we are creating a medium size. Kasi medium size ako. After chain 70, chain 1, and then single stitch on the second stitch all the way to the very first stitch on the other end. So continue on doing single crochet. Single crochet lang hanggang sa dulo. Okay. Dulo na siya. So, chain 2. And then, skip 1. Then, double crochet to the second stitch up until the end. So, ganyan lang yung gagawin natin for our baseline. Alternate dapat siya ng single crochet and then double crochet. So, row 1, single crochet. Row 2, double crochet. Row 3, single crochet. Row 4, double crochet up until makuha mo na yung desired size mo from your upper bust to your lower bust.